Hello and welcome back to the Sirius short course tutorial series. In this video, we are going to talk about importing MS data into Sirius, as well as filtering and sorting features and adding custom structure and reference spectra databases. Sirius supports multiple input formats that can be grouped into two categories: peakless data, for example MGF or CEF files, and full run data, such as MZML files. Data files belonging to different groups cannot be imported into the same project. It is recommended to use centroided mode spectra, however profile mode is also supported since Sirius 6.2. Data can be imported simply via drag and drop. If the imported data consists of multiple runs, Sirius will ask if it should align and merge features that appear in multiple runs. This is recommended in most cases, as it reduces the amount of redundant features in the project and allows to compare abundances between runs for each feature. After the data is imported, we can filter by clicking the Filter button at the top right of the feature list. The filter panel is divided into multiple sections, the first being basic filters on the uncomputed input, such as mass and retention time. The data quality filter can be used to filter features based on specific quality metrics, while the results filter can be used to filter features based on annotation results. We can also use the easy access toggles above the feature list for some popular filters such as show or hide MS1 only features, show or hide bad quality features, and show or hide multimeres and multiple charge features. Additionally, we can sort the features in our project by bringing up the context menu with the right mouse click. If the data imported contains LCMS information, the LCMS tab will be available to visually check the quality of specific features as well as information about potential adducts and isotopes. Now that our experimental data is successfully imported, we might also want to import a spectral reference library or a custom structure database. For that, we open the Databases panel. To create a new database, we click the green plus icon in the bottom right. Now we need to choose a name and location for our database and then add files containing reference spectra or just structure information. Please refer to the text documentation for a list of supported formats. Since Sirius 6.2, we can also use Biotransformer, developed by David Wishart's lab, as a deep integration to create biotransformations of structures provided in these files here. Please be advised that this step can be very time-consuming if applied to many structures at once. After starting and finishing the import, we can see our newly created database in the Database panel.